Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to SimpleSpeak English. My name is Mark, and wherever you are right now, maybe you are sitting on your sofa, maybe you are walking outside in the fresh morning air, maybe you are driving your car, or maybe you are making a cup of tea in your kitchen. We are very happy that you are here learning English with us today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Lily, and thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today learning English slowly, calmly, and naturally.
Before we begin, let's all take a small pause together. Just breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly.
Yes, relax your shoulders, relax your face, and remember, learning English does not have to feel stressful.
It can feel like sitting with two friends and having a quiet conversation.
Exactly. And today's conversation is about something that every person in the world understands.
Yes, today we are talking about health and feeling sick.
Because sometimes we feel strong and energetic.
And sometimes our body says, hey, I need some rest.
Maybe we have a headache, maybe we catch a cold, maybe we feel tired, or maybe our stomach hurts.
So today, we will practice how to talk about health in English in a very simple and natural way.
We will talk about symptoms, doctor visits, medicine, and also simple everyday phrases people use when they talk about health.
And don't worry, this is not a complicated grammar lesson.
No big rules, no difficult explanations.
Just a friendly conversation.
Mark, can I ask you a simple question?
Of course.
How are you feeling today?
That is a very good question. Today, I actually feel pretty good.
That's great.
I slept well last night, and I drank a big cup of coffee this morning.
Coffee helps many people feel better.
Yes, sometimes coffee feels like medicine.
Well, today I feel good too. But yesterday I felt a little tired.
Really?
Yes, I think I worked too much.
That happens to many people.
Yes, sometimes we forget to rest.
Dear listeners, let us ask you something.
Right now, how are you feeling?
Maybe you feel great today.
Maybe you feel tired.
Maybe you feel a little sick.
Just think about your answer in English.
You can say, I feel good.
Or, I feel tired.
Or, I don't feel very well.
Very good.
Lily, when was the last time you were sick?
I think it was about 2 months ago.
What happened?
I caught a cold.
Ah, the famous cold.
Yes, runny nose, sore throat, coughing.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It was not fun, but I stayed home, drank tea, and rested.
Rest is very important.
Yes, after 3 days, I started feeling better.
That is good.
How about you, Mark? When was the last time you felt sick?
Last winter, I had the flu.
Oh no, the flu can be strong.
Yes, I had a fever and my whole body hurt.
That sounds terrible.
I remember lying in bed thinking, I really miss feeling normal.
That is very true. When we feel healthy, we don't think about it. But when we feel sick, health becomes very important.
Exactly.
So let's talk about some simple sentences people use when they feel sick.
Good idea.
For example, someone might say, I have a headache.
Or, my throat hurts.
Or, I have a fever.
Or maybe, my stomach hurts.
These are very common sentences.
Let's say them slowly so our listeners can repeat.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
My throat hurts.
My throat hurts.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
My stomach hurts.
Very good.
Dear listeners, if you want, repeat those sentences with us.
Repeating helps your brain remember English.
Yes, and don't worry about perfection.
Just practice.
Mark, do you remember the last time you went to a doctor?
Yes, actually, I do.
What happened?
I had a very strong headache.
That must have been painful.
Yes, it lasted for 2 days.
So you went to the doctor?
Yes, the doctor asked me a simple question.
What was the question?
He asked, "How are you feeling?"
That is a very common question at the doctor's office.
Then I said, "I have a headache and I feel very tired."
And what did the doctor say?
He asked more questions.
Like what?
He asked, "When did the headache start?"
Good question.
Then he asked, "Did you sleep well?"
Doctors often ask about sleep.
Yes, because sleep is very important for health.
So what happened in the end?
The doctor told me to rest, drink water, and take some medicine.
Did the medicine help?
Yes, after 1 day, the headache disappeared.
That's great.
You know something interesting about health conversations?
What is that?
When someone says they are sick, suddenly everyone becomes a doctor.
That is very true.
Someone says, "Drink ginger tea."
Someone else says, take vitamin C.
Another person says, "You need more sleep."
And someone says, my grandmother has a special soup.
The famous grandmother's soup.
Sometimes it really works.
Maybe the secret ingredient is love.
I think so too.
Dear friends, if you enjoy these slow conversations,
And if they help you feel more confident speaking English,
please consider subscribing to our channel.
your support helps us continue making calm, friendly English conversations.
And it helps more learners find SimpleSpeak English.
All right, Mark, let's continue talking about health.
Yes, let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
Imagine you wake up in the morning and you feel terrible.
Oh no.
Your head hurts, your throat hurts, and you feel very tired.
What do you say?
You might say, "I think I'm getting sick."
Yes, that is a very natural sentence.
Or maybe you say, "I don't feel very well today."
Exactly.
Then maybe a friend asks you, "Do you have a fever?"
Or they ask, did you sleep well?
Or they say, "You should rest today."
Rest is one of the best medicines.
Yes, sometimes the body just needs time.
Mark, can I share a small story?
Of course.
One time, my friend called me very early in the morning.
Was something wrong?
Yes, she said, Lily, I feel terrible.
What happened?
She had a stomach ache.
That sounds painful.
Yes, she said, my stomach really hurts.
Did she see a doctor?
Yes, and the doctor asked her many questions.
Like what?
What did you eat yesterday?
Food can affect our stomach.
Yes, and then my friend remembered something funny.
What?
She ate 5 slices of pizza at midnight.
Ah, mystery solved.
Exactly.
Sometimes the cause of sickness is simple.
Yes, our body just says, please be kinder to me.
Dear listeners, here is a question for you.
What do you do when you feel sick?
Do you drink tea?
Do you sleep more?
Do you go to the doctor?
Just think about your answer in English.
You might say, "When I feel sick, I drink tea."
Or, when I feel sick, I rest.
Or, "When I feel sick, I take medicine."
Very good.
Talking about health in English does not have to be difficult.
Simple sentences are enough.
These simple sentences can help you communicate clearly.
Yes, and the beautiful thing about simple English is that people understand you very easily.
Exactly. You do not need complicated words.
Just clear and honest sentences.
For example, imagine you go to work and your coworker asks you,
How are you today?
if you feel sick, you can say, "I'm not feeling very well today."
Or you can say, I think I'm coming down with a cold.
That's a very common sentence.
Yes, coming down with a cold means you think you are starting to get sick.
Let's say that sentence slowly.
I think I'm coming down with a cold.
Very good.
Sometimes people also say, I feel a little under the weather.
That's a funny expression.
Yes, it doesn't mean the weather is actually on top of you.
That would be strange.
It simply means you feel a little sick.
So if someone says, I feel under the weather today,
They mean they don't feel very good.
English has many interesting expressions like that.
Yes, language is full of small surprises.
Lily, do you usually go to the doctor when you feel sick?
Not always.
Really?
If it's just a small cold, I usually rest at home.
That sounds reasonable.
I drink warm tea, eat soup, and sleep more.
Soup is wonderful when you are sick.
Yes, especially chicken soup.
Ah, yes, the classic chicken soup.
Many people believe chicken soup helps the body heal.
Maybe it's the warmth, maybe it's the comfort.
Or maybe it's the love from the person who made it.
That's true.
Mark, when you are sick, what do you usually do?
First, I drink a lot of water.
Water is very important.
Yes, and I try to sleep.
Sleep is powerful medicine.
But sometimes I also watch movies.
Oh, really?
Yes, if I stay in bed all day, I get bored.
That's very honest.
One time, I was sick for 3 days, and I watched an entire TV series.
That sounds like a long marathon.
Yes, by the end, I knew all the characters.
Maybe the show helped you feel better.
It did. Laughter is good for health.
That's very true.
Dear listeners, here is another useful sentence.
Sometimes people say, I feel dizzy.
Dizzy means the room feels like it is spinning.
Yes, your head feels strange and you may feel unsteady.
Another common sentence is, I feel nauseous.
That means your stomach feels upset, like you might throw up.
But for beginners, it's okay to simply say, my stomach feels bad.
Yes, simple English is always okay.
Lily, let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
Imagine you are calling your boss.
Oh, that can be stressful.
Yes, but sometimes you have to stay home because you are sick.
So what do you say?
You might say, hello, I'm sorry, but I feel very sick today.
Or, I have a fever and I need to stay home.
That is clear and polite.
Yes, honesty is always best.
And most people understand.
Because everyone gets sick sometimes.
Exactly. Do you remember being sick when you were a child?
Oh yes, very clearly.
What happened?
Whenever I had a fever, my mother would bring a cool cloth for my forehead.
That is very caring.
Yes, and she always made soup.
Mothers are very good doctors sometimes.
Yes, and she would say, rest, and you will feel better soon.
Those words are comforting. Even now, when I feel sick, I remember that feeling.
That is a beautiful memory.
Dear listeners, here is another question for you.
Think about this.
What do you do to stay healthy?
Do you exercise?
Do you eat healthy food?
Do you sleep enough?
Maybe you go for walks.
Maybe you drink lots of water.
All of these things help our body stay strong.
Yes, health is not only about medicine.
It's about daily habits.
Small habits make a big difference.
Lily, do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking.
Why?
Because walking helps my mind relax.
That's true. Fresh air, sunlight, and movement are good for health.
Sometimes the best medicine is simply going outside.
Yes, nature can heal us.
But, of course, if you are very sick, you should see a doctor.
Yes, doctors are important,
They study for many years.
and they know how the body works.
So if you feel very sick, don't ignore it.
Listen to your body
Take care of yourself.
and ask for help when you need it. Before we finish, let's review a few sentences again.
Good idea.
I feel sick.
I have a headache.
My throat hurts.
I have a fever.
My stomach hurts.
I need some rest.
Very good.
Dear friends, if you practice these simple sentences, you will be able to talk about health easily.
And remember, learning English takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
Practice a little every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak.
And slowly, your confidence will grow.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Wherever you are in the world,
We wish you good health.
and peaceful days.
Keep learning
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English.
We will see you again very soon.
Here on SimpleSpeak English.
Take care, dear friends.
And have a healthy and beautiful day.